The best thing about EVECC is just meeting up with old colleagues, nurses, old residents, just the opportunity to catch up in a really relaxed, friendly environment.
It's a really nice program stream that we're in, so it's great.
It's just such a welcoming conference to come to, as well as having good cutting-edge education.
Morning, guys.
One thing I would shout out to is the masterclass in running this morning. It was amazing to get to know the place a little bit and sort of combine that with something I'm quite into right now, which is running.
The most memorable moments at EVECC are often the gala parties. I think it's a great sense of community.
It's really about the community feel. It's like our second family away from our real family. I really look forward to catching up with people every year.